I am Srushti Umesh Shinde, a student from Department of Civics and Politics, University of Mumbai. Today, I am going to speak about something that sits silently in our pockets yet loudly shapes our mind. Something that connects continents but often disconnects consciousness. Something that gives us a voice but sometimes steals our silences. Yes, I am talking about social media, its impact and consequences. Social media is neither a villain nor a savior. It is a mirror, and what we see in it depends on who we are and what we choose to reflect. As a student of political science, I'm trained to ask a crucial question: who holds power and how is it exercised? In the 21st century, power no longer flows only from parliaments, armies, or constitutions. It flows from algorithms, narratives, hashtags, and screens. A single tweet can move markets. A viral video can alter elections. A trending like can travel faster than a verified truth. This is the impact of social media. It has democratized expression. Earlier, the power to speak was reserved only for the few editors, politicians, and elites. But today, a student, a farmer, a protester, or a marginal voice can speak directly to the people. Social media has amplified movements for justice, equality, and accountability. From disaster relief to political mobilization, from citizen journalism to awareness campaign, its potential is undeniable. But power without discipline is dangerous, and that is where consequences enter. Savarkar himself deeply believed in reason, courage, and responsibility. He believed in self reliant minds, not borrowed opinions. If he were alive today, he would perhaps ask us: are you thinking independently or are you being programmed? Social media not just informs us, it conditions us. It rewards outrage over understanding, emotion over evidence, and speed over depth. In politics, this leads to polarization instead of participation. Debate is replaced by abuse, dialogue by division. We are no longer citizens first. We are subscribers, followers, and fan bases. Truth becomes relative. Facts become optional. We are speaking more than before but understanding less than ever. And as a student of political science, this alarms me. Democracy survives not just on voting, it is based on informed judgment. When social media turns politics into a spectacle, democracy risks becoming theatre. Another crucial consequence is surveillance. We think we are the users of social media, but often we are the product. Our data, preferences, fears, and opinions are analyzed, harvested, and monetized. Consent becomes blurred, privacy becomes a luxury, and this raises critical questions of digital rights, state power, corporate accountability. Issues that political theory never imagined before but must now confront. And yet, the silent consequences psychological. We scroll endlessly but often feel incomplete. We compare constantly but feel inadequate. We seek validation in likes but forget our own self worth. A generation connected to everyone yet lonely from within. Here I would like to recall a simple line. We have built networks but unfortunately have forgot to build roots. Savarkar himself was a fierce debater, bold, logical, and unapologetic. He spoke of man making, building strong and self aware individuals who could serve state, nation, and society. Social media could support and assist this or sabotage it. The choice is ours. So, what is the way forward? The answer is not rejection but regulation, external and internal. Externally, we need ethical governance of digital platforms, accountability for misinformation, and protection of free speech without allowing free harm. Internally, we need digital discipline to pause before we forward, to verify before we believe, and to disagree without dehumanizing. To remember that behind every profile is a human being, not a target. Social media must be a tool, not a master, a bridge, not a battlefield, a medium, not a morality. Socially, it means reviving our ancient tradition of Vad Vivad, which sharpens the truth and not shatter relationships. I would like to conclude with a short reflection. Fire can cook a meal or burn a home. The difference lies not in fire, but the hands that hold it. Social media is that fire. Its impact is immense. Its consequences are real and its future depends on us, rational citizens, and not impulsive users. So let us ensure that a strong nation is one, not where everyone thinks alike, but one where people think freely, debate honestly, and still stand together. Thank you for listening.